Congratulations on finding and watching this video. It tells me how committed you are to your relationship and how much you want a breakthrough to improve that relationship. It may be a breakthrough around better communication, conflict resolution, getting your needs met, more intimacy, no more boredom in the bedroom, being heard, understood, or healing the past and forgiving each other. Paul Sterling here, and I have been a communication and intimacy coach for over 25 years. Couples come to me when they're struggling or stuck in a rut in their relationship and need a breakthrough. If there's one insight I want you to take away from watching this video, it's that you are only one breakthrough away from bringing back the magic to your relationship. I'm going to read you what a client had to say about their breakthrough. I came to Paul as a last-ditch effort to save my relationship. I had tried everything I could think of to get my relationship unstuck over many years and nothing worked. Having tried marriage counseling unsuccessfully earlier in our relationship, we were both a bit skeptical about trying a coach. We figured if a psychologist couldn't help, then how could a relationship coach be a benefit? All I can say is we're glad we took the chance with Paul. It's made a huge difference for us. As a couple, we interact differently and have largely ridded ourselves of the detrimental communication patterns we'd fallen into. We're happier and more open with one another now and enjoy a new space that is opened up for us. Our thanks go out to Paul as well as our recommendation. Now, this was a couple from San Diego. I worked with them over Zoom. Now, here's the problem. The problem is, most likely, you're already doing the best you can with the tools and the skills you have. None of us get up in the morning and go, today is my goal to make my partner miserable and make myself miserable while I'm at it. In fact, it's so sad and frustrating and confusing and painful. When the harder we try, the worse things get. So what's the solution? I once heard that a problem clearly stated is a problem half solved. Most people think their problem is their partner. What we're going to do here is we're going to create something called the no-fault zone. That is why I created the relationship breakthrough conversation. What happens there, we're going to spend about a half an hour. Most of that time is listening. This is going to be a safe space. You both get a chance to talk and, more importantly, to be heard. You also get a chance to really hear and understand your partner. This is a place where we're going to uncover what's going on in your relationship right now, where you want it to be 6 months from now, what's getting in the way. In other words, what are the relationship roadblocks? And you'll walk away feeling aligned and with a clear plan of action. See, one of the most precious things you have is your time. And we're going to take about an hour of that time. You'll spend about a half an hour getting prepared. There's a video to watch and a little survey to help me help you. And then we talk over Zoom. I would like to offer you several what I call being courageous bonuses. The first is my best-selling book, Argue Less, Love More. And currently, if you go to Amazon, it's $20. If you have a relationship breakthrough communication session, I send you a free copy. It's a digital copy. The second bonus is a 15-minute video about the 3 relationship wrecking mistakes. So here's the deal. I'm here for you. The truth is, I'm here for both of you. Because if you both don't win, nobody wins and your relationship becomes another statistic. I've watched these relationship breakthrough conversations create so much magic so often that I'm willing to invest an hour of my time. Are you willing to invest an hour of your time to see what's really possible? So now it's time to take action. Click on the link that says arguelesslovemore.net/time. Find a date, a time that works for both of you, and schedule your relationship breakthrough conversation today. Not totally sure yet? Take a minute and read these testimonials. Here's what some couples had to say about their breakthroughs and the difference it made in their relationships. See you soon.